Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail labels to organize your inbox more efficiently. Labels in Gmail act like folders, but with more flexibility, allowing you to categorize and manage your emails without cluttering your inbox. Let's start by opening Gmail and signing into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Labels or More. Click on More if you don't immediately see all your labels. To create a new label, scroll down and click Create New Label. A small pop-up will appear asking you to name your label. You can give it any name you like, perhaps work, personal, or bills, whatever helps you organize your emails better. Once you've typed your label name, click Create. Your new label will now appear in the sidebar. Next, let's assign labels to emails. Open any email in your inbox that you want to categorize. At the top of the email, you'll see a label icon that looks like a tag. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you can select one of your existing labels or create a new label right from this menu. Once you select your label, click Apply, and the email will now be tagged with that label. An important tip, emails can have multiple labels so you can categorize one email under several topics if needed. Labels are flexible and allow you to organize your emails in a way that works best for you. You can also color code your labels to make them visually distinct. Hover over the label in the sidebar, click the three dots that appear, and select Label Color. Pick a color that makes it easier to quickly identify emails under that label. Finally, to manage all your labels, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner, select See All Settings, and navigate to the Labels tab. Here you can hide labels, show them, or delete labels you no longer need. And there you have it. With Gmail labels, you can effortlessly organize your inbox, find emails faster, and keep your messages neat and structured. Labels are a powerful feature that can significantly improve your email productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take full control of your Gmail inbox. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.